Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Pool for mining. First, ensure you have a verified Binance account. Next, prepare your mining hardware, such as an ASIC or GPU rig, and ensure it's connected to a stable internet connection. You'll then configure your miner to point to Binance Pool servers, selecting the correct algorithm for your specific equipment. This setup is crucial for efficient operation and maximizing your mining rewards. Once your hardware is ready, navigate to the Binance Pool section on the Binance website. Here, you'll find the specific server addresses and port numbers required for your chosen cryptocurrency. Input these details into your mining software, typically found in the configuration file. Remember to assign a unique worker name and a simple password for each mining device to track its performance individually. This step ensures your miner communicates correctly with the pool. After your miner starts running, you can monitor its performance in real time on the Binance Pool dashboard. You'll see your current hash rate, estimated earnings, and the status of your connected workers. Binance Pool usually processes payouts daily, depositing your earned cryptocurrency directly into your Binance Spot wallet. Regularly check your workers' statistics, like accepted shares versus rejected shares, to ensure your setup is running optimally and earning you the most. To further optimize your mining, consider fine-tuning your hardware settings, like adjusting clock speeds or power limits, to achieve a higher hash rate without compromising stability. Binance Pool also offers features like sub-accounts, which are great for managing multiple mining rigs or different cryptocurrencies. Remember to check the description for links to other deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Keeping your software updated is also key for security and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.